Alright guys, we are checking out this property. This mobile home here. Thinking about wholesaling this property out. It's a very nice community. Huh? Very nice community. 2-car garage. This is my California business partner, Shannon Harkless.
Mobile home investing is often overlooked and misunderstood. But the surprising truth is, it can be a lucrative opportunity for investors. First, mobile homes are affordable for tenants, making them a popular choice for low-income families and retirees. This means demand for mobile homes is consistently high, ensuring a steady stream of tenants for investors. Second, mobile homes can be purchased at a fraction of the cost of traditional housing. This allows investors to see a higher return on investment with lower upfront costs. Third, mobile homes are portable, meaning they can be moved to a more profitable location. Investors can take advantage of opportunities to move their mobile homes to an area with a higher demand for affordable housing. Finally, mobile home parks offer a unique business model. Investors own the land and lease the lots to tenants who own their own individual mobile homes. This reduces the day-to-day responsibility of maintaining individual dwellings. Mobile home investing may not be for everyone, but with the right strategy, it can offer a surprising opportunity for investors.
Very nice. Good. Wow. It's big on the inside. Wow. Wow.
See a crack?
That's only because it's a double wide.
That's not an even crack though.
No, it's fine. It gotta be even.
That was some shifting.
Ain't no shifting. Yeah, this is the I guess.
Bigger than my room I got now. It's got a bathroom here.
Yeah. The kitchen is a little bit dated.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more investment insights.